Hello, Paul here from EMD. I've got this Porsche 911 SC that I've done a lot of work on. On this one, everything is done pretty much. I didn't have time to check this out, but now I just had a few free time today, so I actually, because I fixed all the wiring at the front of the actual car, sorted all the wiring because there was something, one of the wire was staying on all the time, draining the battery, so I've isolated that wire. I just disconnected that wire already. And I came down here just to double check, make sure the radio is working. And what they've done, all this stuff here is connected like that. It's so messy down here. So one of the fuse here was blown here, that fuse there. It goes on that one there, and there's another fuse here. So the biggest problem that those kind of fuses, when they blow up, most customers don't have that fuse. So I've taken that circuit, I've disconnected that circuit already. See, it's already off. And I run a new circuit for this one here using a fuse here. So if something go wrong, that's the main fuse for the radio. So now I've got the radio back on now. So just want to press pause, just turn the key on, and then now put the radio on. And the radio's back on now. So I'm gonna tidy up this down here as well. So I've pretty much run a 15 amp, 10 amp should be enough, but I've got a 15 amp fuse here for the radio, because everything is connected to that wire for that Kenwood system as well here. So I'm just gonna pretty much tidy everything up here, because now I've got a new circuit. I've taken the other circuit off. Well, this one here is much better if you look at it. So let me just open it. See that? Much better fuse, so you can close it. Those ones here, that's a really old style. I mean, this fuse here, you don't need them. So I'm gonna tape up all the wire and then make sure and try to find out where this one goes to, because really messy down here as well. So anyway, I'll get that sorted out, and then pretty much and there's one more thing I've got to show you, that plastic on the actual door, the plastic part of the door here. It's part of the little lever that actually closes the door on this 911. They're broken on these ones here, so when you close the door, it sort of doesn't shut properly. You have to actually slam a little bit more to shut, and I'll show you what I mean on this side here. This side here, the plastic is not broken, still intact, you see. And if you close the door, just close it. So there's a new plastic on that side there to fix the driver's door, and pretty much it. But the main thing is actually fixing the radio, because there was a current draw as well from the radio as well, from this here, staying all the time as well. So I had to actually rewire the whole thing to make it so when you turn so it doesn't draw current anymore from the battery. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.